Hi, this is Fred Litt. Welcome to Workflow in Style, where you will learn to use your personal technology to be more organized, make better presentations, and enhance your bottom line. Our topic is Windows keyboard shortcuts, where you will learn to combine keystrokes and use the Start key to speed access to your favorite programs. Let's get started. Let's demonstrate our first keyboard shortcut by simply typing on the Start button in the lower left corner of the keyboard. The Start menu appears, we tap it again, and it closes. Now let's tap on Start E. This opens up the equivalent of My Computer or This PC. To hide it or minimize it, we tap on Start D. Start D again will show it. So Start D is a toggle between hide and show whatever windows are open. Now for the next couple of examples, I'm going to need a couple of taskbar shortcuts. So I'm going to tap on the Start button. We're going to go to All Programs, and I'm going to create a taskbar shortcut for Internet Explorer and a taskbar shortcut for Microsoft Word. So I simply locate them and drag them to the taskbar. I tap the Start button again, and it's gone. Now I'm going to close my computer, and I'm going to show you an interesting trick that I found recently. Now, if you'll notice on the taskbar, Internet Explorer is in the first location, Microsoft Word is in the second location. And if you tap on Start 1, it will open up Internet Explorer. Now, Internet Explorer has been set up to maximize to the whole screen. I'm going to press Start left arrow, and that will move the window to the left hand of the screen. Now, in the lower left of the screen, we see Microsoft in the second position on the taskbar, of course, after the Start button, and I'm going to tap on Start 2, and that will open Microsoft Word. Now, Microsoft Word has the focus, and I'm going to tap on Start right arrow, and that will then move Microsoft Word to the right side. Now, I'm going to close both of these applications, and I'm going to show you as a working example. In 4 keystrokes, you can open up and position Word and Internet Explorer. So we start by tapping on Start 1, Start left arrow. Start 2 for Word, Start right arrow. There we have it. And again, to hide or minimize these windows, we tap on Start D. Let's show our open windows. Start D again, and there they are. Now I'm going to close both of them, and I'm going to tap on Start 2 to open Word. And you'll notice that Word is not opening in the maximized state, taking up the entire screen. And I'm going to show you something very cool, that if you tap on Start up arrow, it will maximize. If you tap on Start down arrow, it will go back to its previous position. Now, Start right arrow moves it to the right half of the screen. Then I'm going to go Start left arrow, and then Start left arrow again, and it moves it to the left side of the screen. And actually, if you hold Start and either left or right arrow, it will just toggle through. So now I'm tapping on Start left arrow, and it just toggles through these typical positions. Now I'm going to hit Start right arrow, and again, it just toggles through. So I'm in the middle, and Start up arrow maximizes, Start down arrow resumes the initial position. Now, one thing, if from here, if you hit Start down arrow one more time, it will minimize it. And unfortunately, there's no Start key combination that will restore it. So you have to go down to the taskbar and click on it to reopen it. So I'm going to close Microsoft Word. And now I'm going to show you how you can create custom keyboard shortcuts, where you can actually build your own set of keys to automatically open a program. For the sake of the next exercise, I'm going to remove or unpin these shortcuts from the taskbar by right-clicking, unpin, right-click over Word, unpin. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a customized keyboard shortcut. So let's click on Start. I'm going to look for Internet Explorer. And in Internet Explorer, I'm going to place the mouse tip over Internet Explorer and right-click one time, left-click on Properties, and now I want to turn your attention to Shortcut Key. You should be in the Shortcut tab, Shortcut Key, and you'll notice it says None. Now I want you to click once in here. Now you can't actually type anything in here, but I'm going to show you by tapping Alt, Control, and then either a number or a letter, you can build a custom keyboard shortcut that when you hit those keys, Internet Explorer will open at any time. And I'm going to click Alt-Control-9, just a random number. Now first I'm going to click inside, shortcut key, and I'm going to tap Alt-Control-9. And you'll notice it automatically puts these in. I'm going to click OK. Now watch what happens when I tap Alt-Control-9. It automatically opens up Internet Explorer. Now I'm going to find Microsoft Word, and I'm going to create a keyboard shortcut for Word. Right-click, Properties, Keyboard Shortcut, right there, click inside, Alt-Control-8, and I'm going to click OK. So now watch what happens. Alt-Control-8, Alt-Control-9. One of the most requested features when opening a program is opening it in its maximized state. So for example, I've created this taskbar shortcut. I open it up and it's open maximized. Now this doesn't always happen unless you change a setting in advance, and I'm going to show you how to change that setting. So I'm going to close this. Let's go back to the Start button, All Programs. Let's locate Internet Explorer, and you'll remember earlier we created that keyboard shortcut of Alt-Control-9 that will automatically open up Internet Explorer. And the secret in making sure that it is always opened up in its maximized or full screen state is this setting right here. Now often when you create a shortcut, it's set to normal window. Normal window typically opens up that program in the same size when it was closed. So you always want to make sure that this is opened up maximized, and then click Apply. And so now I'm going to close this. And so each time you create a shortcut, it will automatically open up in its full maximized state. So let's demonstrate another example of this by creating a keyboard shortcut for Excel. So let's tap on the Start key, and I'm going to type in Excel to locate it, and there it is. Now just for demonstration, I'm going to click on Excel, and you'll notice it does not open in full screen. So now I'm going to create a keyboard shortcut that will always open it in full screen. So let's go back to the Start button. Let's type in Excel. And I'm going to place the mouse tip over Excel and right-click. Click on Properties. Click inside of Shortcut key. And we're going to make this Alt-Control-7. And now directly underneath, I'm going to change Normal Window to Maximized. I'm going to click OK. And watch when I press Alt-Control-7, it opens up Excel in its maximized window state. Let me close this. Let's do it again. And there you have it. So even if I change the size of the window and close it, it will forget this and automatically open up maximized. Alt-Control-7. I hope this video has given you new ideas to help you save time and stay competitive. If you found this presentation helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Workflow and Style channel. Your comments and recommendations are always appreciated. This is Fred Litt. Thanks for watching.